Hello, this is our lecture 35. The title of the lecture is WH questions. What is called the WH questions? The WH questions begin with W word and H word and they end with question mark, so they are called the WH questions. WH words means WH conjunctions. It means that WH words are called also the WH conjunctions. These conjunctions or these WH words begin with W and H. It means that every WH word begins with W and H. For example, the words beginning with W are what, when, why, where, wherever, whatever, who, whom, whose, which, whichever, whenever, whoever, why ever. These are the WH words, and we saw that these WH words can be treated as the conjunctions. The above, it means the above WH words are made with WH prefix. WH prefix. It means that in the beginning of them, the two prefixes have come. The first is W and the second is H, and that's why they are made with the WH prefixes. Now, the words beginning with H are how, how many, how much, how long, however. These are the words which are made with the H word, means their beginning is with the H word, and so they are called H word. But the grammarians have made the concept as WH words. It means these words begin with W and H, so they are called the WH words. The above conjunctions, we can call them the conjunctions, means the above conjunctions or words are made with H prefix. H prefix means what? These words have begun with the H word or H prefix. For example, just I said you how, how many, how much, how long, and however. These words or these conjunctions prepare the WH questions. What is the point now? The point is that these above words or these conjunctions prepare the WH questions. So we will see the WH questions. What is actually the WH question? The WH question is a question which begins with WH and ends with a question mark. So this question is called the WH question. Now we are discussing these WH questions with the simple present tense. So first example we are going to take is that what do I want from me now? What do I want from me now? The answer is I want peace from me now. I want goodness from me now. So remember, the WH question is asked here with what? And the answer is there in peace. Means what do I want from me now? Means here we have got the answer of what. Means what is the WH word which asks for something. And that's why this what has asked in this way, what do I want from me now? The answer comes, I want peace or I want goodness from me now. So the second question is, what do we want from me now? The next question is, what do you want from me now? And the next question is, what do they want from me now? So here we will discuss this WH question in detail, that this question has begun with what? Means what is the WH word, and with this word this question has begun, and then the do helping verb has come there because the subjects are I, we, you and they. It means that if the subjects are I, we, you and they, the do helping verb always occurs in the WH question, remember. So the beginning is with the what, then second there is the helping verb do, then there is the question, then there is the not question, there is the subject, then there is the main verb, then there is the remaining part of the question, and at the end of the question there is the question mark. So second question is here, when do you get up in the morning? When do you get up in the morning? So the answer is, I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. So this question has begun with who? Because, this question has begun with when. And this when has started this question, and when is the WH word which is asking here about the time. When means what? When is the WH word which asks always about the time. So this when is asking here about the time, and that's why when do we get up in the morning? So the answer is, I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. So when we will see detail this question, then we will say that, or we will study that this question is begun or has been started with when, that is the WH word. Then there has come the helping verb do, because the subject is we. Again I am telling you that if the subjects are I, we, you and they, in the WH question the helping verbs always occurs, and that is the do. So at first we have taken there when, then there is the helping verb do, then the subject is we, then there is the main verb get up, and in the morning is there the remaining part of the question, and at the end of the question there is the question mark. Now the next question we have taken is that, why do you learn knowledge? Why do we learn knowledge? Answer is, why do we learn knowledge, or why do you learn knowledge? That is the question, suppose. So the answer is, I learn knowledge to be a good man. What is the answer? I learn knowledge to be a good man. So when we will see this answer, then I learn knowledge to be a good man. To be a good man means that subject or that boy or that girl wants to be a good man. Means this to be a good man is the structure which is in the infinitive sense, and this structure is giving us the reason. Because this why WH word is there, and this word has begun this question, and when why word is there, always the answer comes in because, or answer comes always in the infinitive sense, and that's why the answer is I learn knowledge to be a good man. The second answer is there, I learn knowledge as because I to be a good man. I want to be a good man. I want to be a good man. What is the second answer? The second answer is I learn knowledge as or because I want to be a good man. So here we will see this answer in detail, that here the speaker is talking that I learn knowledge as or because I want to be a good man. Means this gentleman, this subject is giving here the reason. And that's why here is the question, why do you learn knowledge? So why is the WH word which asks always or which demands always the because or the because sense or the answer in because sense. And that's why the answers, two answers have here come, and the first answer is in the infinitive sense and the second answer is in the because structure. And so what is the question? That question is, why do you learn knowledge? So this question has begun with why, then there is the do helping verb and the subject is you and the main verb is learn and knowledge is the object, and at the end of the question there is the question mark. So here today's topic we have finished. So again I want to request you that don't go outside, be calm and quiet in houses because the corona is waiting outside. Thank you very much.